In this short clip, we search for the exact phrase, how to buy shares of GlaxoSmithKline plc ADR, and I will walk you through the practical steps. GlaxoSmithKline is a global pharmaceutical company that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GSK, and this content is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GSK to locate the listing. Choose the matching GlaxoSmithKline plc ADR entry to open the asset page. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct GSK listing. Double-check the NASDAQ exchange and ticker before continuing. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the instruction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next market open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.